Hello and welcome everybody. This is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Virulyn, and today we're going to be doing a general reading for my Sagittarius for February 2018. Now when I say general reading, this is going to cover your love, career, soul story. Let's figure out what's going on for February. Okay, I want to go ahead and apologize for some of you who have been subscribed to me for a while. I've been MIA. I had a lot of family issues to tend to. That's why I couldn't get out your January readings. But I am back. Everybody is in good shape, good health. I've been back meditating, getting a clear mind so I can get you guys the best readings to my ability. So thank you for your patience. So let's just jump into what's going on with the planets and the signs for February. On the 3rd, we have Venus is entering Capricorn. On the 4th, we have a new moon in Aquarius. On the 10th, Mercury is going into Pisces. On the 14th, Mars is entering Taurus. On the 19th, we have a full moon in Virgo. If you guys have any questions about what's going on with the signs and the planets, you can go ahead and comment below. Feel free to email me. Join us on Facebook. I post a lot of inspirational stuff almost daily on Facebook just to uplift you, make you realize that your manifesting abilities are always there and never ignore them because you are a powerful being. Alright, so I have the Rider-Waite deck here that I will be doing my reading. I usually always do my readings from the Rider-Waite. Once I finish that reading, I'm going to decide with my intuition whether I'm going to pull another card from the fairies or from the angels, and I even have my animal spirit deck there too. If you guys would like to book a private reading with me, go ahead and email me or just comment. I like hearing from you guys. If you're interested in finding out your moon sign, which a lot of people are just aware of their sun sign, comment below with your full birthday. I'll go ahead and I will find your moon sign for you. Alright guys, so let's get started here. Let's see here. For my Sagittarius friends, your element is fire. You guys are of the 9th house and your ruler is Jupiter. So let's see what's going on for my Sagittarius friends. Alright. Alright, let's flip over the cards. We have the 9 of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, and the 8 of Cups. So, with the 9 of Pentacles, you're kind of coming into a completion with your finances, you being comfortable in life. Perhaps some of you have just moved into a new place or have been in a new place for a while and really making it your own, making it home sweet home, okay? The 9 of Pentacles represent wealth, materialistics, earth symbols. So you guys, as you could see by this card, you're kind of creating your own utopia for what you have, what you've created, your inspirations, just feeling comfortable at home. As you could see in this card, she is just standing there pretty in a luscious garden. Okay, she has a falcon in her hand and she is at peace. So a lot of you people might be coming into a peaceful state of mind with yourself. You're comfortable with your surroundings, who you're with. Okay, perhaps some of you guys who are single are really trying to fall in love with yourself again, because I truly believe that you cannot have a successful relationship without falling in love with yourself, and that is very important for everybody. Even if you are already married and having trouble within the marriage, it's very important to take a step back. Remember what makes you happy, because once you're happy and you can make yourself happy, then you can have a loving relationship. And you have the Queen of Pentacles here. So there's a lot of finance issues going on, or I should say with the 9 of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles, blessings. Maybe some of you guys are coming into promotion, finding a new job, creating your own business. There is a lot of luxury here regarding the Pentacles, okay? All right, and you have the 8 of Cups. Now, the Eight of Cups, as you could see with this card, this figure here, which in my judgment is a male, is leaving a lot of stacked cups behind. That is because he is on the search for bigger and better things. Cups represent emotions, okay? So it could be that you want to find peace within your marriage, or if you're single and been dating, maybe the people that you have been dating are just not of your standards, and it's perfectly okay to start over again. Now, he is on the hunt for bigger and better things. As you can see, the scenery behind him is luscious. It has mountains, it has waters. You can even see the crescent moon there. So this is emotionally based, okay? It could be perhaps you're not following your calling. You have a career that is just not suiting your love of life, your calling. You are not answering what it is that your gut instinct is telling you that you need to do. So you need to leave what it is you have there. And it, you know, looking at it first glance, you have all these lovely gold cups. They're all stacked up perfectly. You know, nothing is wrong with them, but it's just not feeling right. Okay, so this could be a relationship. It could be, you know, a business that doesn't see you as an asset, that you see as a dead end. There is no more cups that you see coming into the picture, so you're leaving it for bigger and better things. It could be an educational change that you're making. Maybe you're going into training. Maybe you're going back and studying things so you could start your own business. Whatever it is, you know that there's bigger and better things out there for you. This could also represent somebody that has left you. Perhaps a business partner, perhaps a relationship, romantic relationship. Things just weren't going as planned, okay? Nothing was completely broken, but it just wasn't working, okay? Somebody's seen bigger and better things out there, and perhaps that you are emotionally hurt by it. Whatever it is, I feel that it is meant to happen, okay? There's nothing in life worth worrying about, but there are a lot of things worth in life thinking about, okay? All right, guys. So, I feel like a lot of you are definitely coming into a comfortable, financial, steady point in your life. You know, it's been something that you've been seeking after for a very long time. But I see on the romance side that there is still a little bit of trouble, okay? With your emotions, you need to take that time to balance out your emotions, making sure your yin and your yang are well balanced and one isn't overbearing the other, as sometimes we let it do in life, okay? So just remember, there's bigger and better things out there for you if what you have right now you don't see as your forever utopia, where you want to be for the rest of your life, and it is okay. It might be comfortable, it might look great from the outside, but from the inside, if you're just not feeling it, it is okay to start over again, to find something new, to be on that hunt. Don't settle, okay, Sagittarius? It's very important in life that you guys don't settle. And I don't see you guys being the type to being okay with settling in a relationship or settling in a career, because you guys are the truth seekers. You're outspoken. You're always looking for that fire and that passion in life, and if it's not there, move on. All right. So I'm feeling one from the fairies. We'll probably, I'm feeling we might do one from the angels. We'll see how this goes. All right, so is there any advice that my Sagittarian friends could use for the month of February? Oh my, and we had two jump out. So we have everything's okay. Don't worry. It is all working out in a beautiful way. And I love this card. You could just see that she is telling you to be patient, to be calm. Everything is coming, okay? Everything is okay. Don't worry. It's all working out in a beautiful way. And you could see that there definitely is some inner peace that is shining through. You can see the healing powers through her hands. And this is just a beautiful card just to remind you that don't sweat the small things, okay? The bigger picture will be better and beautiful. Okay, and some advice for some of you guys. Get some exercise. As your body becomes stronger, you begin to feel stronger in all ways. And that is true. Some of you guys who might not be active enough, and I know a lot of lifestyles, okay, a lot of workplaces promote being lazy or just sitting around and just mentally draining yourself, and you're not using your body in the way that it was meant to be used. Go try some yoga, okay? There's a lot of stuff on YouTube or classes that you could take, or even probably you know some friends that already do it, okay? If it's just going to the gym again, going for walks, start small, okay? You don't have to go and be a meathead or whatever it might be, but starting somewhere is better than nowhere, okay? And I'm telling you, once you work out your body, your mind and your soul just really fall in line with it, okay? Our bodies are meant to move around, experience a lot of things, and if you're not letting that happen, you could really feel stuck in one place. Okay, so let's see here. We are doing one from the angels here. All right, the Chariot, an important achievement, self-discipline, willpower, and public recognition. All right, so I feel like this could be not only regarding some of you guys' love life, but also your career, okay? The self-discipline and the willpower does fall hand in hand, as we all know, with exercise, okay? It takes a lot to be committed, to change your schedule, to have something that really works for you, the people around you. Some of you guys who have kids or just had kids, or even just a spouse. It's a lot to work around their schedules and what works for you too, to get back into a work team regimen, okay? But you're going to have to. You're going to have to lay down, you know, hey, this is when I'm going to step out. This is when I'm going to do it. For some of you guys who have older kids, or, you know, maybe try to get your spouse involved. If not, they're going to have to respect your routine, okay? You're going to have to lay down the law, so to say. All right? An important achievement, self-discipline, and willpower. Public recognition. I feel like with the public recognition, for a lot of you guys who are creating your own business or really stepping outside of your comfort zone and trying something new, people will recognize. For some of you guys who, you know, are changing the way that you spend money or working out like you should be, or whatever it is, the people around you, it doesn't have to, it's not public recognition, doesn't mean you're going to get famous or whatever it is. It could literally just be your parents recognizing a change in your behavior, your sibling, your spouse, your friends, your coworkers. Once you really get out of that rut and get going with things, people will come to you and say, hey, what's going on? I noticed a positive change in you. Could be you getting back into your meditation, whatever it might be. Now, this overall view, I do feel like some of you guys have been making some very smart decisions regarding your finances, whether it is realizing what bad habits you have that you need to cut out of your life, whether it's cable, you know, going out and partying too much, drinking, smoking, you know, even looking at like your interest rates on some things, you know, changing that up, you know, cutting some of them credit cards, whatever it might be. I feel like a lot of you have really put your foot forward with that, and you might be feeling more comfortable in your home, you know, decoring a little bit, making a spot that you can, you know, have your religious or spiritual beliefs come to life, you know, simple reminders every day, like hanging something on the door so you see it when you come in and you see it when you leave, things that just remind you your passions in life and the course that you have for your calling. Because once you get in a rut and you let clutter, you know, kind of pile up around the house, you can feel that negative energy just cling around. And taking those small steps means a lot. Alright guys, I think this pretty much sums up our reading. I will zoom in up on the card so you can see it. Like I said, if you would like to book a private reading with me, go ahead and email me or join our community on Facebook. The links are below, guys. Or just send a comment. I'm quick to reply. I love hearing your feedback too as well. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Vera Lynn. You guys have a beautiful February.